Have you seen those tiny gold notes popping up on your Instagram feed? It's like everyone suddenly struck gold. Well, today we're going to demystify this trend and show you exactly how to get your notes to turn gold. Let's dive in. So, what's the deal with these gold notes? It's actually a pretty cool little feature that Instagram rolled out. To get your note to shine like gold, all you need to do is use the right words or emojis. Now, you must know that to get a gold note, you simply need to include specific keywords or emojis related to the Olympics in your Instagram notes. This include features word like gold, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory medal, goat, as well as emojis like the gold medal. When you use one of these keywords or emojis, it's your Instagram note will automatically turn gold. It's a simple yet effective way to join in to the Olympic speed. And there you have it. Creating gold notes on Instagram is as easy as using a few specific words or emojis. It's a fun way to add a touch of glitz to your post and show your support for the Olympics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. And of course, share your golden notes with me using the hashtag.